Our eighth common mistake shows up when leaders fail to model the new expectations and behaviors. This typically takes place when leaders fail to get their head wrapped around how the change will impact them, their own business rhythm, and its impact on how they do what they do. When leaders leave their own questions, doubts, and uncertainties about the change unaddressed, but still go forward acting as a yes man or yes woman and implement a change with their team, they will never successfully role model the behavior changes require. Executives and leaders of leaders must recognize that change is challenging for their leadership team as well, and ensure time is given for them to adapt and get on board with the change. The same attention we want our leaders to give to their team members, we leaders of leaders must give to them. We all recognize and have probably experienced ourselves firsthand change that the leader above us didn't role model, and it doesn't feel good. If change leaders don't model the change, all the work will be for naught. We must ensure leaders are walking the walk, not just talking the walk.